In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to page link a PDF in Canva. If you've ever wanted to create interactive PDFs with clickable links that direct your readers seamlessly from one section to another, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make your PDFs even more engaging. First, begin by selecting the text you want to transform into a link. This is an important step because the text you choose will become the clickable element in your PDF. Click on the text and you'll notice a little menu appear at the top of the Canva screen. Next, look for the three dots icon on this menu bar. Clicking this icon will reveal a few additional options for customizing your selected text. It's like opening a toolbox filled with various tools to enhance your PDF's interactivity. Once you've clicked the three dots, find the link option that becomes visible. Clicking link opens a new dialog box where you can choose how you want to direct your readers. In this case, we're creating an internal link, so you'll be selecting a specific page within your PDF that the text will link to. Carefully select the page you want the link to direct to. This part allows you to guide your reader's journey through your document, ensuring they navigate efficiently to the information they need. After you've made your page selection, click on Done to confirm the link creation. This simple action secures your link, making it active and ready for use. But we're not finished yet. There are still a few final steps to ensure your PDF is ready for sharing. Next, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on Share. This button is your gateway to multiple options for distributing your completed PDF. Once there, look for Download in the drop-down menu. Clicking Download opens another dialog where you'll need to select your file type. Canva offers a variety of options, but for our purposes, click on the current file type and make sure to choose PDF Standard. Selecting this ensures your document maintains its interactivity without compromising on readability or size, making it perfect for sharing via email or any other digital platform. Finally, with all settings double checked, click Download once more to begin the downloading process. Your file will be prepared in no time, complete with your new page links, ready to engage and guide your readers efficiently. And there you have it, your PDF is now equipped with dynamic, interactive page links using Canva's intuitive design tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital creations.